A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. If you try to figure out where make you born, which part you born, and where make you born, the time where you born, today, me go read from the book we name Acts, chapter 17, from verse 16 to verse 34. And if you not subscribe yet, may I beg you, Mickeys, and do it today. But listen first, the book we name Acts, chapter 17, from verse 16 to verse 34. Paul did a wait for Silas and Timothy in Athens when his spirit moved in him, because him did so mad when he see how the city full up a false god. So every day, him go to the Jew them church and in at the market, go talk to the people them when they did it. People were Jew and people were not Jew will worship God. Some teacher will belong to one group we named Epicurean, and some will belong to one another group we named Stoic. Did I argue with Paul? And some other one asked, what a little bird brain mouth a master man you chat about? And some other people answer say, it sound like him a chat about some kind of God where we don't know about. Them say that because Paul did a preach the good news about Jesus and how God make dead people come back alive. So them asked Paul to come with them, go meet the Areopagus leader them. Them said to him, say, we would have liked to know about this new sitting them where you teach. So you can tell about it. Because the sitting them where we hear you teach, we never hear them before. So we want to know what they mean. All of the Athens people and the foreigner them will live there. Spend them time and do nothing more than I tell them one another about anything new where them hear. And I listen to anything new where anybody have to tell them. So Paul turned up in front of the Areopagus and said to them, say, Athens people, me sister you don't have enough God when you worship in every way. Because when me did I move around and I take a good look on the place them when you go worship, me I'll see one altar with them over there right down upon it to the God where we don't know. Well, the one we don't worship and don't know about, him me I tell you about. The God will make the world, all of the people them, the animal them, and the tree them we in it. Him rule over heaven and earth. Him no live in a house where man make for God with their own hands. And him no need nobody for do nothing for him. Like say need nothing from them. Because him give everybody life and all the sitting them where they need. God make one man first, and all the other tribe of people in the world come from that one man there. And even before he make them, God make up in mind when and which part of the earth them are going to live. God do that so people would have said them need him. That way they might have searched for him and try to find him, even though him not that far from none away. Because him make we give we life and make we can move about. And even when I follow owner people were right by him, say the same thing. Him say, all of we are God pick me too. So since we are God pick me, we know if we think say God turn like one false God where man think up and make out a gold or silver or cut out a stone. So first time, when people never know God, he never punish them. But now, he might order everybody everywhere. If they turn away from their sin and beg God pardon. Because he said one day, when he go judge all of the people in the world, and he have one special man where I go judge people for him. And that man there, I go judge everybody the way all them forget judge. Him no partial. And God make that man there come back alive after he did dead to make everybody see. Say, I don't know, joke thing him a deal with. When them hear say man dead and come back alive, some of them laugh and I'll take him make preke. But some of them say, we will hear some more about this from you and next time. So Paul left out of the meeting with the Areopagus, leader them. But some people believe Paul and join up with him. Some of them will believe I did Dionysius, him I did one member for the Areopagus, and one woman named Damaris, and some more people too. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.